Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Search Console for SEO revenue, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Search Console, begin by navigating to the Google Search Console website. Log in with your Google account associated with your website. Once logged in, click on the Start Now button. You will see a prompt to add your property. Enter your website's URL in the provided field. Select the appropriate protocol, either HTTP or HTTPS. After entering the URL, click on the Continue button. Now, you need to verify your ownership of the website. Google provides several verification methods. Choose the HTML file upload option for a straightforward approach. Download the HTML verification file provided by Google. Next, access your website's file manager or FTP client. Upload the downloaded HTML file to the root directory of your website. Once the file is uploaded, go back to Google Search Console. Click the Verify button to complete the process. If successful, you will see a confirmation message. Alternatively, you can use the HTML tag method if you prefer. Copy the meta tag provided by Google. Then, add this meta tag to the head section of your website. After adding the tag, return to Google Search Console and click Verify. If the verification is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Another method is to use your Google Analytics account. Select that option, ensuring you have the correct permissions. Google will automatically verify ownership through your Analytics account. For those using WordPress, there are plugins available to simplify the process. Consider using plugins like Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO Pack. These plugins can help you add the necessary verification tags easily. Once your website is verified, you will have access to various SEO tools. Continue exploring Google Search Console's features to enhance your SEO strategy. Monitor your website's performance and indexing status regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.